Today we are going to discuss about, write the heading, liability. Liability. Liability means payables are owed by business. Owe mean payable. We have to pay. But owe by business. Owe by others mean it will become asset, right? Careful. Debtors. Payable mean we have to pay. We have to pay mean we are the business, right? We are the business, right? So owe by business. So easy word we can understand. Payable by business. Easily we can remember what is liability mean. It's anything payable by the business called liability. That's all. Note it down. Payables are owed by business. But last class I taught you about asset. I taught you about asset and asset, financial resources, but I gave you 3 characteristics, right? 3 characteristics of asset. Past transaction, controlled by business. It flows in economic benefits in future. Likewise, today we are going to discuss about liability. This is all we discussed last class. Payables are owed by business called liability. Liability also has 3 characteristics. Characteristics of liabilities. Characteristics of liabilities. Number 1, past transaction. Same like asset. How did you get a liability? How did you get an amount that you have to pay to someone? Just it won't come. You have borrowed. That's what you have to pay. A person saying you have to pay me 50,000. Just he won't say, right? If you have already borrowed only, he will say you have to pay me 50,000. So it's a past transaction. It's a past transaction. Any liability comes due to the past transaction. You have borrowed. Simply say, earlier you have borrowed. That's what it comes as a liability. Now you have to pay. Now if you borrow, you have to pay in future. So whatever it is, past transaction, it's common for asset and liability. Asset also we did the same characteristic. Second, under asset we learn the characteristic controlled by business. Liability can be controlled. Can we say, no, I will pay whenever I get the money? No. If you agree to pay in a certain time period, you have to pay. It's not like our class fees. Class fees, of course, no problem. We have given time, no issue. But when you come to liability, when you borrow something from someone, you have to pay on time. So we can't control the liability. We can't say, no, whenever I had money, whenever I get money, I will pay. No, not like that. So it is an obligation. We have to obliged. We have to pay. It's our obligation. Look after our parents is our obligation. From the day we born, they are feeding us. They are helping us. They are giving money for our studies. After we grown, we can't say, you are not my parents. We don't look after you. After we get married, you can't chase our parents. It's our obligation to look after them. It's our obligation. I hope you can understand the meaning of obligation. That's what I said in an example. So liability means you have to pay on time. That is called obligation. It's your responsibility to pay on time. Obligation. Third one. Okay, you borrow, past transaction. You have to pay on time. It is your responsibility. It's obligation. In future, if you pay, Will it bring the cash or will it send the cash out? It outflows. It flows out economical benefits in future. It flows out. Asset mean past transaction controlled by business. It flows in economic benefits in future. Just two words are getting changed, my dear. You can remember easily. Past transaction is same. There we wrote controlled by business. Here we say obligation of business. That's the one difference. Control, obligation. Control, obligation. It flows out. An asset, we say it flows in. That's the difference. This outward come in the asset. So it flows out economical benefits in future. Any doubts? Liability examples can be bank loan, creditors. You borrow a loan from bank, we call bank loan. You borrow a loan from a person, we call creditor. That's the easy way to understand. I hope. Could you understand? Bank loan mean you borrow a loan from bank, we call bank loan. You borrow a loan from a person, we call creditor. That's it. Names different, that's all. Electricity payable. You receive the electricity bill for the month of July. Today, July 30th, right? Still you didn't pay the money. Today is the end of the day. Suppose say no 31st. No 31st, imagine. You receive the electricity bill for the month of July, but still you didn't pay the money. We call electricity payable. So it becomes liability. Becomes liability. Likewise, month of July rent you have not paid. Rent you have not paid. So rent payable. Rent payable. It's a liability. Therefore, it comes under liability. Bank overdraft. Bank overdraft. Right. What's the difference between a bank loan and a bank overdraft? Bank loan means you borrow a loan for a long time period. Example, 5 years, 10 years. You borrow a loan and repay little by little in 5 years, in 10 years, in 15 years, in 7 years, long-term period. But bank overdraft means it is a short-term loan. Maximum 3 months. Maximum 3 months. So both are loan you borrow from a bank, and if you have to pay in long term, we call bank loan. If you have to pay in short term, we call bank overdraft. Bank overdraft. Likewise, accrued salary. Accrued and payable, same meaning. Accrued, payable, same meaning. Accruals, arrears, payable, same meaning, my dear. So accrued salary means July month ended, still you didn't pay your salary to the employee, so it becomes accrued salary. It's a liability. Yes, Matlub, it's a problem with that.
Sir, rent is expenditure. No, sir.
Yeah, rent is expense. Yes, very good question. Rent is expense, but if you didn't pay the money on time, it becomes payable. Na puta? You have to pay, right?
Yes, sir.
So rent is expense, rent payable is liability. There are two words, right? Rent is an expense, rent payable is liability. Electricity is an expense, electricity payable is liability. Accrued salary is a liability, salary is expense. You got it?
Yes, sir.
So you have to see the word, what are they giving? If they say rent, definitely it is an expense, no doubt. But if they say rent payable, it is a liability. It is a liability.
Liability.
Creditor means you borrow a loan from someone. You borrow a loan from a person. If you borrow a loan from a bank, we call bank loan. If you borrow a loan from a person, we call creditors. Do you understand, Aftab? Liabilities. Example. If you see the priority to pay the loans, liability, salary you have to pay immediately. Otherwise, people won't come to work. Bank overdraft, we have to pay on time. Rent payable, you have to pay on time. Electricity payable, you have to pay on time. Otherwise, they will come and cut your connection. Creditors, you have to pay on time. Otherwise, they won't supply the good. So, there are two types of liabilities here. Accrued salary, bank overdraft, rent payable, electricity payable, creditors, all these liabilities are payable in short run, short term, sometimes within 1 week. Accrued electricity, we can't, accrued salary, you can't wait until 1 month, right? Within 1 or 2 days, we have to settle the salary. People work. Rent payable, of course, we can take 1 month, sometimes delay mean we can ask permission and go 2 months. Electricity payable, 30 days only time given. Creditors, of course, we can talk to them and we can delay 1 or 2 weeks. Bank loan, we repay in long run. So there are two types of liabilities. Non-current liability and current liability. Non-current liability and current liability. Types of liabilities. Non-current liability mean which you have to pay in long term. Long-term liability. Bank loan, pawning loan we can say. Bank loan, mortgage loan. If you want, you can write it, okay? Bank loan is one of the best example for non-current liability. Other side, current liability, we can take all the rest. Bank overdraft, creditors, electricity payable, salary payable, short-term liability. Short-term mean within 1 year. Short-term mean within 1 year. It can be 1 month, it can be 1 week, it can be 2 months, within 1 year. Within 1 year. That is called short term. Long term means it's more than 1 year. More than 1 year. It can be 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, like that. So non-current liability, current liability. There are two types of liabilities. What are the two types, my dear? Non-current liability and current liability. Non-current liability mean long-term liability. Current liability mean short-term liability. If you have doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, you can write. Non-current liability, we can say mortgage loan, pawning loan also. What is that? For example, you have a land. You give you a land deed to bank and borrowing a loan. Normal bank loan and this mortgage loan is different. You are mortgaging something. If you don't pay on time, they will sell the asset. That is mortgage loan. Pawning loan means people go and keep their jewelries and borrow money. That kind of loan, right?